Hey guys, thanks for joining me today. It's Rhonda Brozowik. For those of you who don't know me, nice to meet you. Coming to you live from Buffalo, New York. If you are watching this on my YouTube channel and you like to get information about ways to make money from home, different ways to earn extra income, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And that's the kind of content I've been looking to put out. I also do a little bit of content about how to do certain things. So I do also have a free Facebook group where I teach a little bit more on that, on the how-tos and stuff like that. I do tutorials. So if you want to join that, that link will be below this video. But right now I am here to talk to you today about 5 billion sales, which is something new and it's pretty amazing. So I am going to share my screen because before I get into it, you won't understand. So I'm just going to pull up my back office so that I can show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so here we are. Got my screen shared here. As you can see, Rhonda Brozowik, that's me. This is my account. So I am going to go through a little bit about what this is. So you kind of get what I'm talking about when I say everybody can make money, because literally everyone can make money with this opportunity. That's why it's so exciting. So welcome to Moneymaker. This is my Moneymaker area in my account here. And this is where it shows you how do you want to make money today. There's 3 opportunities. Okay, each opportunity has its own back office. So I will show you some of these. I'm still getting used to the back office, so excuse me if it takes a minute to find the different screens. But and you can make money from all 3 of these opportunities. Okay, the first one is by selling your data, and literally everybody can do that. And that's as easy as installing a Chrome extension, or there's different extensions for Apple, different types. You can even do it on your cell phone. So there's different ways you can sell your data. And what they're doing is 5 billion sales is a marketing company. So instead of Google, Apple, everybody else is just taking your data for free, right? They're actually requesting your permission, and they're just kind of seeing how you browse to get data for their marketing company. So they will pay you, you get paid every day, and I will show you that. And if you come in here once a day, I don't have the green button up here, but right up here where it says new FAQs, there's usually a green button, but I already did mine for the day, and it'll say validate your data. So if you come on here and validate that you're coming in here every day, or whatever day you do, whatever days you do come in, you get an override for validating also. Then you also get, we have this guaranteed sales, which I'm going to show you because that is super exciting, and it's ending shortly for the limited time offer that they have. And then there's the refer and earn, right? So you get paid to refer people to come in and sell their data or get guaranteed sales, right? And even if you just get people to sign up for the refer and earn, you get paid. And I will show you my account here in a second, but you guys, it's literally costs you $0 to sign up for this. So you can come and sign up and get your refer and earn link and share it with people and get paid. If you sell your data, you can get paid for that. If you want guaranteed sales, you can get paid for that. So you can choose what you want to do, but it's literally $0 for you to sign up, $0 for you to share your refer and earn links, and $0 for you to sell your data. If you do want guaranteed sales ads, you can purchase those. However, you can sell those to people who have businesses or online businesses without purchasing them if you don't want to. So I'm going to scroll down here, and I'm just going to show you a little bit of an overview here. So I've been doing this for a couple of weeks now. So my commissions that I've earned from people signing up to sell their data, and from some people who bought sales or bought guaranteed sales ads initially, that's my commission for that. I have some overrides because some people that I've signed up have now in turn signed people up. So it goes down 16 levels. So now I'm getting paid on that. Not as much as they are, but I didn't do anything, right? They're doing all the work. So I'm getting a commission override for that. This is my income from my data. They're paying me every single day. So every day they're paying me for that. Now this is that validation bonus that I was telling you about here, this $7.50. So every day that you come in and validate it, you get another 50 cents on your data plan. Okay, so that's what that means. Guaranteed sales delivered is a 0 right now because this is a process. This is an AI process. So even though I've sold some, they are still in their AI. It takes about 90 days, you guys, for this AI to go through. I'll show you a little bit and go into that a little bit more. But that is another way that I do have some income coming down the road, which is awesome. And I will take that, right? Because I know it's coming. So anyways, that is my general overview. This is just in a couple weeks, and these are truly passive. Like the commissions that I've earned from the overrides are passive. I've done nothing. My data is passive. The V bonus, okay, I kind of consider that passive because all I'm doing is coming in here and clicking a link once a day. It takes me nothing, right? So I am going to go over to my affiliate back office. Now, excuse me if I get a little bit caught up here because this is where I'm not 100% sure, but I'm going to click on my commissions here. Okay, that's just a little pop-up. So this is showing here that I have one advertising credit coming. So when this goes through it, now you'll see, like I said, it's a 90-day period for this AI. And then as the person who took their guaranteed sales out starts earning their money, I'm going to get paid. So it's going to come in 3 increments. I already got the $20 because they purchased the ad. And then I'm going to get $1,000 at one point, another $1,000 at another point, and another $1,000 in another point. So I have another $3,000 coming from this, and this is in the works. So it's a process, and that's how that works. Selling your data, I have earned $200 in commissions. One person still has to validate theirs, so just waiting for that. I had 3 people sign up. One person hasn't done anything at all with it, so I will follow up on it. You do get that information. And now I'm going to go over to, go back here. Just want to show you guys a little bit of transparency here so you can see what I'm talking about, right? Okay, so go back here, select my moneymaker, takes me back to this screen. Then I'm going to go into this guaranteed sales because this is extremely interesting here. Okay, you do get, once you purchase an ad, which I actually purchased 2, okay, you get your own ad manager that you can Skype with here. They get back to you, you go back and forth in chats if you need some help, either setting up your ads, ordering ads, whatever you're doing here, okay? What are these guaranteed sales ads good for? You guys, they are literally good for anything. Sorry, my dog's barking in the background, but the mailman is coming. So anyways, you can use these guaranteed sales ads for crypto, CBD, MLM, any kind of MLM, social retail, direct sales, whatever you want to call it, anything like that, any kind of affiliate link. So ClickBank, or I don't know, maybe you have an autoresponder that you're an affiliate for, or a program that you're an affiliate for, any affiliate offer, any affiliate program, network marketing, any online business. Do you sell digital products? Do you sell ebooks? Are you a coach? Do you have programs that you sell? Anything like that. E-commerce. Are you on Etsy? Are you on Amazon? Are you an Amazon seller? An Amazon affiliate? Are you on eBay? Anything like that. Downline. So you can literally use this for anything. If you have a website, if you don't even have a website and you just do affiliate products or whatever, I'm going to tell you guys though, make sure if you are using this for an MLM or a product, if say you sell candles, get ready, because you better have a lot of inventory to get ready for all the sales that are going to be coming your way. Okay. So that talks a little bit about that. And I am going to go over here because I want to show you, okay, these are my two, okay, that I have. And as you can see, I have one that's created and I have one that's not created because I'm still trying to decide what I want my second one to be. So I'm going to go to the one that I created and I am going to view the details here for you. So I want you to see what I'm talking about. Okay, so here I'm going to go to manage. This is the one that's done and it's published. It's not really published. They say it's published, but just to be clear, it is still in the AI process. It goes, this is how they are being able to give you guaranteed sales, which trust me, I was a skeptic, but it's a process and they are going to get you guaranteed sales for this. You're not buying clicks. You are not buying leads. You are going to buy actual sales. Okay. You're going to get actual sales out of this. So I'm going to come over here and just show you my stats on this ad. So far I've made this ad on June 27th. It is now July 7th. Okay. The AI is putting this out in different places. It's gathering information as to where it's going to do best. The best market for it. You answer a lot of questions about your ad when you're going through the process and publishing it. So just from then, I've had 11,501 views and 1,708 people have clicked on it. And this isn't even published yet. So when it's in this AI stage, you can still get sales possibly, right? Because of where it's going. So you might get some sales there, but they're not even going to count towards your guaranteed sales, which is amazing, right? So it's going to go through this process and it has 9 stages, okay? And once it gets to that last stage and they actually have it running for you, that's where it takes about 90 days to get to that point. That's where it's just going to really blow up your business. So I just wanted to give you a little bit of information about that and show you how you can make money with this. And let me just stop my screen share. So I just wanted to really show you the 3 different ways that you can earn money with 5 billion sales, how you can earn money without purchasing anything. You just sign up. It's going to cost you $0 to sign up and you can start earning today. And there's also, ways that if you want to buy ads, you can purchase ads. There's some exciting things going on for early adopters. Anybody that gets in before July 15th, there are some crazy things that you're going to be able to do as an early adopter. So let me know if you have any questions, wherever you're seeing this video, either comment below the video. I will have my link below the video. You can go check it out in further detail. I have a lot of videos on my YouTube channel about this. Like I said, I just started it a couple weeks ago. Reach out to me on Facebook. I will also put my Facebook account below this video so that you can send me a message. If you want to chat, I'm happy to answer any questions. I know this is a lot and I'm trying to keep this video short. So just wanted to give you a little bit of transparency and show you my personal back office. And there's people that are doing a lot better than me. But let me tell you, it's easy, it's simple, it's ready to go. They even have advertising, they have emails, they have graphics, everything is done for you back in your affiliate section. But I'll show that in another video. So hope this helped. Hope you enjoyed this video. And once again, reach out to me and I'm happy to help you.